This video will cover installing and launching Anaconda for the Python workshop. First, point your web browser to www.anaconda.com. Go to the download section. Scroll down to make sure you get Python 3.7 version of the 64-bit graphical installer. Once the download completes, launch the installer. For the most part, we're going to be accepting the defaults. So press continue, 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 agree, install. Enter your password to approve the install when prompted. The installation will take several minutes. We'll compress that time for the purposes of the demonstration. Once it completes, click Continue, and then Close. You can move the installer to the trash to save disk space, or keep it as you prefer. To launch, open a terminal. You can do that on a Mac by pressing the Command and spacebar, and then typing in the first few letters of terminal. It should be a top hit. Left click to open the terminal. Now type Jupyter Lab. Notice the spelling is with a Y. It will process for a few seconds while it spins up a Jupyter server in the background. It then will open your default web browser with a page pointing to that server. If you do not have a default set, it will prompt you to set one. If this is your everyday machine, though, you probably have one already set. Once the browser is open and it redirects automatically, you will see the Jupyter interface. If you got this far, your system should be ready, but we will still need the data files. Open another browser tab and go to library.fullerton.edu/EARP. Once there, click on the Python data files link and save it to your local computer. Unzip the downloaded files. Now you should be good to go. I look forward to meeting you in the workshop.